CDTV.net Dividend Report is brought to you in part by 1M3 Corporation, IT Solutions for Banking and Finance. Call them at 917-686-3485. That's 917-686-3485. I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net Dividend Report for Tuesday, April 7, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Apogee Enterprises Incorporated announced earnings from continuing operations were 40 cents per share versus 49 cents per share a year earlier. Analyst average estimates were 31 cents per share. Russell Hoffer, Apogee Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, said, "Turning to the fourth quarter, we achieved strong operating margins and cash flow, despite slowing markets for our architectural and picture framing glass products." Hoffer continued, "As we managed through the economic downturn, we further reduced headcount and costs during the quarter." Apogee Enterprises Incorporated is a leader in technologies involving the design and development of value-added glass products and services. Immunocore Incorporated reported diluted earnings per share totaled 27 cents in the quarter, compared with 27 cents for the same period last year. Analyst average estimates were 22 cents per share. Immunocore's President and Chief Executive Officer said, "The demand for our Regent products, which account for nearly 90% of our total revenue, has remained stable as shown by our earnings and our cash flow." Immunocore Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, engages in the development, manufacture, and sale of various Regents and automated systems. Archer Daniels was downgraded by a Citigroup analyst from hold to sell. The analyst said the demand for Archer Daniels products were slowing. And now, the dividend report. Fortress Investment Group announced that it elected not to pay a dividend in the first quarter of 2009. The board elected to retain capital for potential future investment opportunities and for working capital purposes. Fortress Investment Group is a leading global alternative asset manager with approximately $29.5 billion in assets under management as of December 31, 2008. UDR Incorporated announced that its board of directors declared a regular quarterly dividend on its common stock for the first quarter of 2009 in the amount of 30.5 cents per share, payable on April 30 to shareholders of record as of April 10, 2009. The April 30th dividend will be the 145th consecutive quarterly dividend paid by the company on its common stock. UDR Incorporated, an S&P 400 company, is a leading multifamily real estate investment trust. Northeast Community Bancorp Incorporated announced that its board of directors declared a quarterly cash dividend of 3 cents per common share. The dividend will be paid on or about May 1st to stockholders of record as of the close of business on April 10, 2009. Northeast Community Bancorp Incorporated is the holding company for Northeast Community Bank. Northeast Community Bank is a federally chartered savings bank. Hingham Institution for Savings announced that its board of directors declared its regular quarterly cash dividend of 21 cents per share. The dividend will be paid on April 21st to stockholders of record as of April 10, 2009. In addition to regular quarterly cash dividends, Hingham Institution for Savings has declared special cash dividends in each of the last 14 years. Hingham Institution for Savings is a Massachusetts chartered savings bank. NSTAR announced that its board of trustees declared a quarterly dividend of 37.5 cents per common share. This is NSTAR's 480th consecutive dividend. The dividend is payable May 1st to shareholders of record on April 10, 2009. NSTAR is an energy delivery company with revenues of approximately $3.3 billion and assets of $8.3 billion that serves 1.4 million customers in Massachusetts. First Community Bankshares Incorporated announced that the board of directors declared a first quarter cash dividend to common stockholders of 10 cents per common share. This first quarter dividend is payable to common stockholders of record on April 10 and is expected to be paid on or about April 24, 2009. This year is expected to be the company's 24th consecutive year of dividends to common stockholders. First Community Bankshares Incorporated is a $2.13 billion financial holding company and is the parent company of First Community Bank. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.